Welcome to Session 6, Summer 2022 IDP Series. This is the pre-session video for Week 6. I will walk you through this week activities with the topic International Interview Reflection and Evaluating Potential Careers. My name is Meiti Patikawa. I'm the Senior Student Intern for Graduate Student Career Services at Texas A&M University. In this session, we are going to focus on the learning objective week 5 to 8, specifically in evaluate career fit of top career choice using your research result and SWOT-C analysis. By the end of this module, you will be able to first, utilize the SWOT-C analysis for potential careers. Second, evaluate the results to determine the fit of top career choices. In this video, you will find information about SWOT-C analysis, Session 6 learning activities. Let's start with the SWOT-C analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, or in this case, we'd rather use challenges. SWOT-C analysis is a strategic planning technique that you can use to clarify your approach to a variety of professional challenges by listing all the pros and cons of a particular situation. When you use this framework, you can make informed decisions to develop a career strategy that fits your skills and experience. How to do a SWOT-C analysis for your individual development plan? First, separate internal factors from external factors. Before beginning your SWOT analysis, make sure you understand the difference between internal and external factors. Internal factors include strengths and weaknesses and relate to your qualities and experiences. External factors include opportunities and threats and involve circumstances beyond your control. For example, you may have experience with a particular software, which is an internal factor. The ability to take the course to learn the latest version of the software is an internal factor. Second, consider your professional strengths and qualifications. Write down your education, skills, and work history that give you an advantage over the other candidates. An extensive work history, technical skills, college degrees, and professional certifications are all strengths. Soft skills such as problem solving, decision making, and critical thinking are also strengths. Other strengths can include the ability to relocate or professional connection in your field. Next, list your weaknesses and areas that you can improve upon. Create a list of your disadvantages compared to other candidates. Weaknesses could include needing additional education, certification, or technical skills to be successful in your potential field. Other weaknesses could include limited work ability because of school, the inability to move, or limited professional network. Then, identify professional opportunities in your career. Consider professional opportunities where you can apply your skills and experiences. Review job listings and company expansions announcements to determine if there are a lot of openings in your area. Look at the larger trends in the job market and areas of occupational growth that fits your strengths. Consider learning a new technology that might help you distinguish yourself from other candidates. Next, understand threats and risks or challenges in your career path. Create a list of biggest threats or challenges to your career path. These factors could include a decreasing job market or increasing competition from qualified candidates. Rapidly evolving technology and policy changes can also be threats if they challenge your qualification. Consider trends in your potential field, such as companies using more contract employees rather than full-time employees. Last, compare the four SWOT-C elements to make a decision about your career. Once you have made a list of four SWOT-C factors, compare each element. If your four strengths outnumber your weaknesses, your field of interest could be an excellent path to pursue. If your weaknesses outweigh your strengths, consider creating a plan to learn additional skills to earn a certification. You could also consider changing your path to fit your current qualification. Handout 1 is available for you to download from Canvas. It contains sample questions for SWOT-C analysis of a career choice. You can use the sample questions to help you identify your specific factors that will influence your career choice. Your internal factors considering career fit, strengths, and weaknesses. The external factors that can affect the entire industry or field opportunities and threats. Handout 2 also available for you to download from Canvas. You can create a SWOT analysis by following the template. Fill the squares with the information you need to make a decision. Please take some time and work on SWOT-C analysis to evaluate your potential career options. Let's dive into Session 6, Learning Activities. First, please make sure you submit the Task 6 in Canvas by 9 a.m. on July 21st and bring your result to the sessions for discussion. Task 6 consists of two main things. Task A, evaluating a potential career with SWOT-C, and Task B, reflect on your first informational interview. Please refer to assignment page on Canvas for details. This week, we'd like you to reflect on these questions below to better analyze yourself with the career options you have, as well as action you take in regard to your individual development plan. Reflection on finding professional and conducting your first informational interview due by July 21st. Attending each session of this series equals to one video point that will count towards the Grad ID certificate after completing the reflection on Canvas. To earn a Grad ID's Advanced Professional Development Certificate, you need to complete Grad ID's Basic Certificate and Grad ID's Intermediate Certificate. In addition, to earn the Advanced Professional Development Certificate, you need to complete an additional 2 videos. Participate in an activity that emphasizes one of the skills area of Grad IDs. Participant in this Individual Development Plan or IDP Career Exploration Series who attend 6 of the 8 meetings, complete all career exploration learning activities, and actively participate in breakout room discussion and discussion forums will satisfy the advanced activity requirement for the Grad ID's Advanced Certificate. Complete the certificate reflection in our certificate site. These reflections will ask what you learned from the entire program and what your plans are for continuing professional development. Graduate Student Career Services is available for advice. You can simply drop into one of our drop-in sessions every Monday and Friday at 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Or you can set a one-on-one appointment for a longer advising session. And feel free to reach out to Marilyn, Paul, or me if you have further career-related questions. Thanks and Giga.